Today we're here on What's Brewing, the Future of Coffee. The purpose of this event is to discuss together with different actors across the value chain of the coffee industry on what is the future of coffee. Right now with the pandemic, but also for climate change, producers are having a harder time producing the coffee that we drink every day. So this is why we're here today, to discuss together with the whole industry the importance of the smallholder farmers, but also the integration across the industry.
The environmental issues which the farmers facing is the climate change, plus the disease, of course. But the main is climate change, which recently the frost hit the Brazilian producers, the farmers, which caused the high price of the coffee prices in a global level.
Having this event under the wing of the EUN as the International Trade Center, for us it's really important because it's also about putting the focus, the highlight on the smallholder farmers and the cooperatives that are now key for thinking about the future of coffee. So we're very pleased to work together with them to really advance the SDGs. We cannot think about advancing the SDGs and the future without the producers. Start the event with a coffee tasting here at Canvas Cafe with the support of Coffee Planet, and we have coffees from 4 different origins, so that's Mexico, Peru, Brazil and Ethiopia.
We are at the tasting session. This is my first cup. The acidity is balanced. I get flavor of note flavor, chocolatey, a little of a citrus flavor. Definitely, it's a balanced cup.
Wow, this one is really strong. It's high acidity compared to the first 2.
The second part of the event, that is going to be a panel discussion where we'll be having the Chief of Sustainability of Lavazza providing a presentation, and then later an in-presence panel discussion with 4 different actors.
As a major role in the Specialty Coffee Association, we brought speakers to give the latest technologies and innovation for our industry.
It was a nice exchange to have different people from different fields in the coffee industry. For example, I'm a retailer, so I'm a cafe owner and a businesswoman, and then there was another attendee who's a coffee producer, so she comes from the farming side, and then another one from a roasting company. We all share different perspectives in terms of the challenges that we are facing in the coffee industry.
This event is in EXPO2020 is really important because it's about connecting minds that are rethinking about the future of one of the key industries across the world. So we have 50 producing countries in the world of coffee, but we all also consume coffee. It's connected with our traditions, with our history, with our cultures. We would love participants to have curiosity, to learn more about coffee and also who's producing the coffee, and also to think more and value when we have this cup of coffee in the morning, who produced it, and be inspired and that have curiosity to learn more.